All right, tail end of the weekend, things turn nice, and we're going to keep that ball rolling. Sunshine, low humidity, just beautiful conditions out there. I guess the only way you could put a non-positive spin on it is it's not exactly ideal pool weather. You know, you want it a little on the hot and steamy side for that. And we'll get back into that this weekend. There's plenty of time for that. Heading northeast, boy, you get up to New England states, they are wet and they are chilly. And up in Maine, temperatures are in the 30s and 40s up there. So down south, tracking the potential for some strong, maybe a few severe storms, not a huge severe threat. You can see those brewing over West Texas. And they've got some showers up around Montana. This is a look at surface winds and as well the dew point. And we talk about this just to give you an idea of how the air is going to feel. When you've got a very low dew point, it's very comfortable. And we've got that. Of course, you know, out to the west, it's bone dry. They've had wildfire issues. Southern California, down towards Orange County, they've got a wildfire out of control there, at least did over the weekend. Here you can see dry conditions across the Great Lakes and the muggier air that's bottled up down toward the Gulf Coast. Of course, that's almost always the case. So what we're seeing today, tomorrow, and really even through the middle of the week, I've got you all the way out to Wednesday, is this drier air that's entrenched over the Great Lakes, the Ohio Valley, the Commonwealth. It's just feeling really good. We will eventually see a return to the muggier conditions heading into the weekend. But if you look, there are the dew points in the 50s. And the beautiful thing about this is when they're in the 50s and even the low 60s, it feels really good out there because you don't have that mugginess. And we keep that going. Look, all the way into Wednesday, maybe even into Thursday, it's going to still feel this good out there. And it's warm. So it's a combination of the two that just really hits the sweet spot there. Sun just getting ready to pop. You can see it getting orange out there. Official sunrise 6:16. We have a northwest wind. That's a drier source region as far as the air goes. So 50s and 60s now. Highs around the upper 70s, mid to upper 70s today, around 80 tomorrow, and then upper 70s Wednesday. So we're hovering right around our average or just below our average high, which is 80 early in the week. Into the weekend, you can see two things happening. Well, three things really. The humidity climbs, the temperature rises, and the response to that is we'll also see an increasing chance for showers and storms. So we will see change tracking our way. And sadly, it's going to be just in time for the upcoming weekend. But I tell you what, for the next 3-4 days, it's smooth sailing. Mostly sunny, dry, and pleasant. Highs today, mid to upper 70s. That's actually below average for once. Can you believe it? Upper 50s tonight, some mid 50s possible. Mostly clear, cool, and dry. Tomorrow, around 80, partly sunny. There is a minimal chance for an isolated shower or storm. We're going to talk about that in your last forecast here before we kick it over to the Today Show. But it's a very low-end chance, so I wouldn't be too worried about that. Into the weekends where we see the change, the warmer, muggier, potentially stormier conditions starting Friday, probably peaking into Saturday and Sunday.